Welcome to the Sparx Systems Prolaborate series, where we empower you to unlock the full potential of your EA model through dynamic and customized reporting. So, what's the use of having a large dataset without reports and charts? Most teams collect loads of data from different sources, trying to pull it all together, but without reports and charts, it's chaos. The real power of gathering data lies in analyzing it, presenting clear, factual insights, and making decisions based on that information. Now let's explore how Sparx Systems Enterprise Architect helps you do just that. Picture this: the ability to create tailored reports that show exactly what you need. Sparx Systems Publishing tool makes that possible. Here, the report acts as your gateway to powerful insights. With just one click, you can skip directly to the query section. This is perfect for those who already know exactly what they're after. Whether you're extracting specific data or generating detailed sub-reports, Sparx Systems Publishing tool, Prolaborate, gives you the flexibility to define what matters most to you. And if you need some help, no worries. The link in the description provides a detailed document to get you started. Once the query has been customized to fit your needs, you're just a click away from getting the insights you're looking for. With that one click, you'll have your report. And if you want to dig deeper, you can dive further into the data for a clearer picture of your EA model. Sparx Systems Prolaborate is more than just about creating reports. It's about crafting reports that work for you, tailored to your needs, accessible whenever you need them. For more details, check out the link in the description. And if you want to book a demo or see the full capabilities of EA, feel free to reach out to our team. We're here to help you get the most out of your modeling experience. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.